Oh, you're what?
We're not done.
Oh, really?
Yeah. So I saw this and I couldn't resist because it was red.
Okay.
So I'm throwing this in as part of your present.
Blue's your color, red's my color.
Exactly.
Oh, that is wonderful. Look at that.
I don't know what you're going to water with that, like something small, but...
Indoors.
Yeah,
It'll
indoors
be the little
sure.
one. Oh, that's fantastic. That's a Haas too, isn't it?
It is. It is.
Super cool. I've never seen a red one.
And you put it on your shelf as a decoration even,
Yeah,
you know?
put it in the background. That is awesome. Thanks very much, Jay.
You're welcome. Welcome back to Blue Jay Bonsai. And in today's episode, James and I, along with Jacob, my other son, head back to Kim's Nature, where we plan to meet up with Nigel, Zin, Connor, and a few other members of the Toronto Bonsai Society. We have Andrew, our webmaster here. Hi, Andrew.
Hello.
And we have another new member, Merlinda.
Hello.
Is there anything in particular you guys were looking for today?
I came here for bonsai and I ended up getting more than bonsai.
And I see, Andrew, you have one of Wayne's pots in your
Yes, I
hand.
do.
One of the
Very
raku
lovely
fire,
pot.
yeah.
Go get pots now.
Awesome. Merlinda, it's always interesting to find out how the younger generation gets interested in bonsai. So how did you get interested?
So about 2 years ago, I was scrolling through Instagram randomly one night and I saw an Instagram post of someone watering their bonsai, and I already had like a bunch of plants by then. So I thought, oh, bonsai, that's cool. I want a bonsai. So I begged my grandparents to take me to Sheridan nurseries, and I got this little umbrella tree bonsai in a black pot. So I just liked how it's like all black and stuff. So I bought it, and I still have it to this day, and it's in my room right now, and It's still thriving. So
That's amazing. So it's always nice to hear stories of how people get started and what gets them interested.
yeah,
Thank you.
it's cool. Archway kind of right in here.
Oh yeah.
That's amazing.
So that's the Gruyere, right?
Yeah.
Oh, I love those.
It's just the leaves are so small and cute. It's perfect.
So when Connor texted us and let us know that they were running late, we decided to take a quick run over to Valleyview Gardens, another sponsor of the Toronto Bonsai Society. They have an amazing huge greenhouse filled with plants, so we took a quick look around while we were waiting for the gang. Now it's time to head back over to Kim's Nature.
Chocolates and booze.
Oh, wow!
I hope you're not an abstainer.
No comment. No kidding.
No comment.
Thank you, Nigel. That's amazing. I didn't
You're
expect that. Do you need a hand, or should I just watch you struggle?
No, just watch me struggle.
Is it gonna fit? Do we need to tilt it? It would fit in my old one.
It would go in if I tilted.
Okay, we'll have to tilt. So let me get one of the boys here and I'll tilt it. Just hang on a sec. And as you've already probably seen on Nigel's channel, these are the things that Connor picked out. His little, can't pronounce it, some cute, adorable Venus flytraps. And of course, some lithops and some other kind of succulent I don't know the name of. I was able to capture a little bit of behind the scenes as Nigel filmed his video, including the behind the scenes of Kim's Nature and some of the greenhouses that we got to tour. If you really want to see all the details, I recommend you check out Nigel's video from yesterday. And here we are back at home. And I can hardly wait to dig into the gifts from Nigel. Take a look inside and see what we got. And it's a fabulous box of Canadian-made chocolates. There's more. It's a bottle of chocolate-infused vodka. Wow.
Alright, so now I'm going to try one of these chocolates. That is good. Thank you, Nigel.
And shortly after, my good friend Derek showed up with a present. Very unexpected, and I had no idea of what it could be. As you can see, it is a handmade Blue Jay bonsai turntable. It is routed out and epoxy filled to get the blue and the words, and I'm just blown away by the generosity and the talent. And the gifts just don't seem to stop here in the Blue Jay nest. This is a gift from my friend Vince from the club, who actually lives right in my neighborhood, and it is a Natal plum, Natal fig, or Natal ficus. I'm not sure. I think it's Natal fig. I'm gonna have to double check with Vince and update you in a future video.